Welcome back to Product Critique, where today we're diving into one of the latest offerings from Leica, the SL3. This camera represents the pinnacle of Leica's full-frame mirrorless technology, aiming to blend classic Leica craftsmanship with cutting-edge digital capabilities. The Leica SL3 is more than just a camera, it's a statement. Built around a robust magnesium alloy body with IP54 rated weather sealing, this camera exudes durability and precision. It weighs in at 769 grams, striking a balance between substantial build quality and manageable weight. At its heart lies a 60 megapixels full-frame CMOS sensor, similar to the one found in Leica's renowned M11 and Q3 models. This sensor offers exceptional resolution, ideal for detailed shots and versatile cropping options. Leica boasts a dynamic range of 15 stops, enhancing your ability to capture nuanced scenes with clarity. For videographers, the SL3 supports 8K video recording, a significant upgrade from its predecessor. This capability allows for high-resolution cinematic footage, complemented by ProRes support for professional video workflows. In terms of performance, the SL3 incorporates the Maestro IV processor and a hybrid autofocus system with phase detect technology. This combination ensures quick and precise focusing, whether you're capturing stills or filming moving subjects. Handling-wise, the SL3 features a 3.2-inch tilting touchscreen, facilitating intuitive operation and enabling creative shooting angles. The minimalist interface, a hallmark of Leica design, is complemented by an array of customizable function buttons that enhance user control without cluttering the camera's clean aesthetic. Leica has refined the SL series with subtle design tweaks, such as a lighter body compared to its predecessor and a new illuminated power button for a modern touch. The camera's L-mount bayonet provides access to Leica's premium lenses and compatible options from Panasonic, Sigma, and Samyang, offering photographers a wide range of creative possibilities. In conclusion, the Leica SL3 stands out not only for its exceptional build quality and superb image capabilities, but also for its seamless integration of modern features with Leica's timeless design philosophy. While it may come at a premium, the SL3 represents a significant investment for professionals and enthusiasts alike, who prioritize performance, reliability, and the unmistakable Leica experience. Thank you for watching this detailed review of the Leica SL3 on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more in-depth reviews of the latest tech products. See you next time.